Alright, hello and welcome to the channel. You're joining me here at the Porsche booth at the New York International Auto Show, where we have got the all-new, all-electric Macan EV. We're going to go take a look inside. I'll show you what it looks like. I think this is the first time we're actually getting inside of one and talk about some of the specs and features that are available here. So come along with me and let's drive.
Let's ride.
And here we go. Here's the brand new, just electrified Macan Turbo all-electric. So this is built on Porsche's PPE platform, which is one of numerous electric platforms under Porsche and the Volkswagen brand. So this is a 470 kilowatts or 630 horsepower powertrain in this turbo trim. 161 mile per hour, 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds. There is an entry-level 4 trim, which gives you the highest range, which will be around 300 miles, although not officially rated yet. There's also, that one will have 402 horsepower max, 136 mile per hour top speed, and 0 to 60 in 4.9 seconds. This has 270 kilowatt charging. It's an 800 volt architecture. That'll take you from 10 to 80% in 21 minutes. And this is the same underlying platform as the brand new Audi A6 e-tron that just came out, just being announced. So in the base trim, this starts at $80,450. This will go all the way up to $106,950 depending on the trim level, and then you can spec out and customize way beyond that as well. Let's see if we can take a look inside. Oh yeah, so we've got the what do we call this, night something or other badging option on here, which shows that you spent even more money on it. Inside, amazing. With ventilated seats, there's storage there, lots of screens, fairly small screen in the center there, but you do have 3 screens here, including the center screen, this driver cluster, and the passenger over there. You can see, since this is the, I believe this has got the Sport Chrono package, it's got the clock up in there for keeping track of your lap times. Got all of our wheels and stuff on the steering wheel here. Holders. Yeah, so this is actually available with recycled materials throughout, showing Porsche's dedication to sustainability. Here you can see this is one of the options that have in the Porsche nameplate here kind of blacked out. So there's a premium package available which adds 14-way adjustable seats with both heat and ventilation that you can see in here. Heated rear seats are available. There's a Bose stereo system. Like I mentioned, range is, I don't believe has been officially published yet, but expectation is around 300 miles on here, just based off of some of the other Porsche vehicles and kind of their targets. There's 18 feet of cubic rear cargo space, and with the seats down that becomes 46.5 cubic feet. We've got the so sizing on the instrument clusters here: 12.6-inch center screen, or sorry, digital instrument cluster, 10.9-inch center touchscreen, and 10.9-inch passenger screen. And this is CarPlay compatible, so take that, GM. You can see. So this passenger screen is interesting because it actually tilts over this way and has, I think it's a lenticular display that makes it so that the driver can't actually see it and be distracted by it while driving, but passengers can watch things on there. Alright, so I think this is incredibly exciting for Porsche. Macan has been one of the absolute best-selling vehicles in the US and around the world. Obviously this crossover kind of size, smaller sized SUV is incredibly popular here in the US, and basically the target that every EV manufacturer is going after because it's what Americans buy. But you just see a ton of Macans out there, Cayennes too, but I think that'll be coming up soon. And I think them really going electric first on this model year and beyond is super exciting here. Great to see the commitment from Porsche to electrification and treating this seriously. I think Porsche is really probably the company that I would hold highest up there in terms of really advancing the technology here. They're just absolutely blowing everybody else out of the water in terms of charging speed, maybe not so much efficiency, but overall just like battery technology package as well as the drivetrain. So just getting some absolutely incredible performance numbers out of here while still having really good efficiency, good range, and just being an absolute charging beast here. We've heard that this has got a just absolutely insane charging curve, 300 plus kilowatts of charging, kind of at peak, but it'll hold that for quite a while. And yeah, I mean, you're gonna be charging this thing so fast you barely have time to run in to go to the bathroom or grab food at charging spots. So love to see this, and can't wait to see these out there on the road. All right, well with that, thanks for watching, and got plenty of other deeper dives here on some of the vehicles, as well as an overall walkthrough of the International Auto Show here and all the EVs. So make sure you're subscribed and check out everything else here on the channel.